Okay, tips and tricks. Masking tape, a pen. Then you put it here, anywhere where there's a reasonably clean surface. Then you go, hang on, I gotta think. Yep. France, range. TRRND. Okay. You go. And stick it on there. Yeah, one-handed it's not going to work, but basically, I've got to put the phone down for a second. Sorry. Almost done. Show you. There you go. You know what it is. This is the transmission range plug from there. Come on, light. Yeah, plugs on there. Removing EXO VCDS has videos. You gotta push in and then push on this tab. This lifts it off and then you can unplug it. So you gotta push in first and then push this in, this tab. Then it comes off real easy without breaking anything. And then you mark everything. I'm gonna label everything like this so I know where it goes when I'm reassembling it without having to figure out for hours where the stuff might go and how to route it. Okay, thank you.